Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post a new video. Also, don't forget to make sure you guys watch my last two newest videos that I just released for last week. And I need you guys to get everybody to subscribe. Get your mom, your dad, your aunts, your uncles, everybody in your family to subscribe to help me get to 500 subscribers so I can do a giveaway. I think I'm going to give away this Morphe palette, the Sweet Oasis palette right here. Let me know what other Morphe palettes you guys like and I'll do a giveaway on those. But this is how it looks. And yeah, I got that from Ulta last weekend, and then I also picked up the Trendy in Tokyo palette by BH Cosmetics. The box looks like this, and then the palette looks like this. I did some swatches, but they're really vibrant colors. I really like it. So, what have you guys been up to? I mean, I've been gone. If you haven't seen my last two videos, make sure you guys go ahead and watch those videos. I will link them in the description below. And you guys, I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back with the jump off. So let's get into this video. First, we are going to prime our face with Elf Poreless primer. And you guys know I like showing you the pumps. So we're gonna just prime our face. Eyebrows are already did. Oh, if you guys like my hair, I did do a tutorial, but comment below if you guys want to see the tutorial. I'm trying to get into some hair tutorials. I'm by no means a hairstylist, so don't come for me. Yeah, so I like it. It's alright. I think I want to put more Bantu knots in because the ones that I have, it looks just too spacious. Maybe like some smaller ones. 1, 2. So far I like it. It looks really good. Like, this face is about to look flawless. I'm still working on my face though, as I said, for it to look super flawless, like on a daily. But I gotta take my time. Sometimes I be rushing and I don't be taking my time with the routine. I just want it all to melt into the skin. This is by Radiance Cosmetics. This is how it looks. So we're just gonna take the darkest shade and do a little contour on the sides of our face. You can suck it in if you want. I know people go like this and do it. literally just want a little bit of contour. I always contour up into like, because it just works really good at setting that underneath the like that really works. I let that set, and then we're gonna take the second color, which is like that reddish color in the middle, and we're gonna just put that up at the top into our hairline. Just to give it a little bit of definition. Like so. I also bring it down a little bit over my contour. Your contour can look crazy. And then I also, actually I'm gonna take this foundation brush and sweep off the rest of that. So this is how we're looking right now. How good that foundation looks. Like, that foundation looked really good. Like, it looked really, really good. But this look with the hair makes me feel like I'm like a pop star. Make sure you can see that orange. If you look back on my channel, there's a video I kind of did with these colors. Well, not these colors exact, but it reminds me of that. This is a real fun look if you're going to a concert, but it's COVID and we don't got any concerts going on. Like, that's fine. At first I was using a darker color, but this powder really worked for me. I just do like that, and then I go in with the blending brush, and right here, that's what I set my face with, Glue by Kiss. And I have it in black. This one's in white, and it also comes with a pair of lashes. I'm gonna use these lashes. Like that, you really can't tell, but you can tell, but you really can't tell, but you can't tell. So, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, don't forget to share this video and have your family members subscribe so we can reach 500 subscribers so I can do that giveaway for you guys, give away that Morphe palette. Let me show you once again the Morphe palette right here. So I will be doing a giveaway, so don't forget to subscribe to this video, like, comment below if you want to see a hair tutorial. Also, comment below what looks you would like to see me do on this channel. I'm going to be dropping a video every day for you guys, hopefully at 3 p.m. That is the goal. Do you guys like this look? It's real colorful, summertime. Hey, let's have a drink. That's it, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.